This video is an archival exploration of the 1917 burial records of the Heptonstall Wesleyan Chapel, specifically focusing on the Lower Graveyard Book.
The Burial Ground Book, established on September 22, 1917, is a foundational entry. Its primary function is to record grave owners and map the lower graveyard layout. It also contains administrative notes for chapel stewards. Each entry includes a plot number, which corresponds to the hand-drawn vestry burial plan. The date field primarily documents ownership transfers. Name denotes the legal owner of the grave, and residence provides crucial demographic data. Note that the age column is mostly blank. The master spatial map outlines the graveyard's structure. Cartographic quirks indicate administrative rules, such as a diagonal line denoting a double grave, and shaded areas indicating necessary adjustments to keep paths straight. Sections B and C form the core grid, representing the demographic heart of the lower yard. The periphery, sections G and AX, contains late additions and shows administrative friction, with notes like "not paid for," highlighting financial realities. Section F, against the school wall, illustrates physical space constraints. Notes reveal that the Sunday school's architectural boundaries determined which plots were viable for burial. Section E demonstrates the impact of the Pennine bedrock. The graveyard is on a steep hillside, and the ledger acts as an accidental geological survey, recording plots where rock made digging impossible, creating sequential gaps. The ledger was a living, active administrative tool spanning at least half a century, not a mere snapshot. Transfers, like the one for Fred Hurst, were tracked through a multi-step process, from original registration to formal date stamping. The 1994 anomaly, an entry in bright blue ballpoint pen, shatters the Edwardian illusion. This proves the rigid 1917 ledger was still actively used by chapel stewards at the very end of the 20th century. The residence records reveal the chapel's sphere of influence, encompassing the immediate vicinity, further afield industrial towns, and the wider regional diaspora. The chapel served as an ancestral anchor for families who had emigrated. The 1917 lower yard records show three key findings. The ledger is a geographic anchor, proving diaspora maintained ancestral ties. It was dictated by the earth, forced to adapt to the Pennine bedrock. Finally, it functioned as a living document, continuously updated through 1994.